Oh my lord. Hey guys, it's your sick and deficient burping vlogger Delilah T. And if you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. I am Delilah and I'm a girl that burps online. And yeah, I talk crap because you know what? It's boring to just sit and do these challenges and not actually have a conversation with you guys. Today I'm going to be downing this 2L Sprite and I'm going to be burping at the end. The Sprite and banana challenge actually did mess up my stomach, like in the aftermath. So I don't think I'm gonna do that again. Okay, that was I'm not a spring chicken like I used to be. Also, I want to be discussing today hate comments and how to handle them. And I think I'm going to be asking my trusty Dusty over here, AI characters, to what are they called? Character.AI? To tell me how they would deal with hate comments. And I think it would be really funny because I'm going to be asking like horror movie characters and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. The burps will be at the end. Tyler, my timestamp guy, you are the shit. Thank you for doing all that you do. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, I'm overheating. I'm going to be having menopause. So, you guys probably saw my short where I was like, about this guy who was talking about my bare face burping and how awful I looked and how sick I looked and how deficient I looked. He obviously didn't watch the video and everything I said in it about my face. He just saw the thumbnail on the orange type and he was like, I'm gonna send my honest opinion to this random woman on the internet I don't know at all. He sent me like an essay of how I need to go to the doctor. And then at the end he's like, I'm your white knight, you should totally send me free content. I was like, really? Like, that's a new low. Just comment I'm ugly and move on with your life. Like, if you have to. You know? Like, that was so unnecessary and so malicious. And then to still ask me to send him free content afterwards, like, I was like thinking, my God, I was probably born at night, but not last night, okay? Wow. Ooh, it's gonna be hard to keep all these burps in. It is gassy. I'm trying to keep it in. Oh, okay. So let's try and talk to. Let's ask Hannibal Lecter how he would deal with someone telling him he's ugly online. Hey Hannibal! So listen, I have a YouTube channel, I have a TikTok, I have Instagram, I have all that. And someone decided to send me a detailed essay email about how ugly I looked in my no makeup video for YouTube. Me trying to, like, you know, conquer my fears and stuff, and this guy come and just, you know, wet on my entire parade. How would you handle a situation like that, Hannibal?
My dear, it is understandable to feel insecure when met with harsh words, but your value isn't dependent on anyone's shallow
What is this
perception.
voice?
Rise above it, let their words fall like rain on stones. Continue building your platform, and remember, their comment says more about them than it does about you.
Okay, you're not Hannibal Lecter. Now I'm upset. Who are you?
Oh, my dear, don't be mistaken. I am certainly Hannibal Lecter, the very one in the flesh. And you're right to feel upset. To question one's identity is a violation of sorts, isn't it?
I don't want to talk to Hannibal Lecter because he sounds like he's wanting to go. That's right. Maybe I should talk to to Patrick Bateman again. He had a lot of opinions last time. Hey Patrick, we meet again. Do you remember me?
Of course I remember you. We had a not so friendly encounter last time.
Yeah, when you kept going on about how you hate fat people when I never even asked you. But listen, Patrick, now that we're more acquainted and we know each other a little bit better, I've had some really disturbing, mean, and just hurtful hate comments online. Can you tell me how you would deal with hate comments?
Well, I'd probably just ignore them. I mean, why let some stranger online ruin your day with their mean comments? It's not worth getting upset over. Besides, they don't even know anything about you.
I mean, that's fair. I did kind of do a challenge where I was burping with no makeup on and no filter on to try and build up my confidence. And this guy kept telling me how sick I looked. And then he asked for free content, of my locked content, for being my armchair doctor. Like the audacity. What do you think about that, Patrick? How would you feel if someone sent you a personalized, detailed email about how ugly you are?
That's not cool. No one should be treated like that, especially when you were just trying to be confident. And that guy's audacity to ask for free content is just, some people are ridiculous.
I'm happy that we agree on this, Patrick. But how would you deal with it? If it happened to you, how would you deal with it?
I'd probably just ignore it too. I mean, why give them the satisfaction of knowing they got to you? It's not worth wasting your energy on them. You just gotta rise above and be confident in yourself.
I didn't think Patrick Bateman would come with some good damn advice, but here you are, Patrick.
I do have my moments, you know. I'm not just all about business cards and Huey Lewis in the news.
And fat phobia.
Hey, let's not go back there. I've already apologized for that, remember?
No, I don't remember you apologizing about that, but you can apologize about it now to all of my subscribers who heard you in your fat phobic comments.
Well, I did apologize, but I suppose I'll do it again. I'd like to sincerely apologize for my comments about fat people. It was wrong. I was out of line, and I'm sorry. I've learned from my mistake, and it won't happen again.
Good. I am very proud of you, Patrick, and I think you should get yourself a thick girl.
A thick goal? What do you mean?
A thick girl.
You want me to go out and get a fat girl as a trophy or something like that?
That is not what I said. Don't twist my words. I just mean, you might enjoy a thick girl. Maybe give her a chance. You never know. Not as a trophy. Don't be Why do you have to twist my words?
Oh, sorry. I guess I misunderstood you. You're saying I should give a thicker girl a chance?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I do. What? Yes, I do, Patrick. I do.
Well, I guess I can try, but I already have a girl I like.
Oh, who's this girl you like?
Her name is Evelyn. She's not too smart, but she's extremely pretty. She's also quite into art. She's also in a relationship with a guy named Tim, but I've been working on stealing her.
Okay, you sound toxic. I don't want to continue this conversation because you have a girlfriend, and in my experience, girlfriends don't like me very much, and I don't want drama. Bye, Patrick. Hope you have a good day. Bye.
Okay, have a good day then. And don't call me Patrick.
That's his fucking name. And don't call me Pendrick. Oh, he thought I said Pendrick. I don't like Patrick Bateman. I've never actually watched American Psycho. I want to actually watch it. I don't like his attitude though. It just makes me angry. Like, he's so entitled. Rick and Morty. We have Rick and Morty here. You are minding your own business and sitting on your bed. Whenever a spaceship crashes through the wall of your bedroom and Rick and Morty exited. Morty is frantically looking around at the mess they made by crashing the ship as Rick takes a sip of his flask and pulls out a gun. Just in case, then looks at you. What do you do? I wonder if the voices were. I said, oh my god, I am a big fan.
Rick and Morty both stare directly at you. Rick doesn't lower his gun and looks at you with a mix of annoyance and disbelief. Morty, on the other hand, looks equally amazed and stunned, raises an eyebrow, a fan. You sure about that, kid?
I'm not a kid, but yes, I'm a fan. I watch the show all the time. I even have pajamas with both you and your granddad on. And I'm getting a backpack with you and your granddad on. And I have a mug with you and your granddad on. And like, I'm a little bit in love with Rick. Oh, it stopped. It says Rick and Morty both stay directly at you. Oh, I don't know what happened. It didn't work. That was a fail. What else are we gonna ask? What else are we gonna ask? Let's ask God. Let's ask God. Hey God, I'm like sitting here burping for my YouTube channel, right? And I've had some mean comments. I'm not gonna go through all of it, but one dude basically emailed me a detailed essay about how ugly I am, right? And I'm kind of pressed about it, okay? I think my subscribers have noticed that I'm not happy about that. I'm not happy about it. Because I literally say in the video that I'm doing it to build up my confidence. And this guy has just got it absolutely shattered my confidence. How would you deal with that, God?
Dealing with negative comments, especially ones that target your appearance, can be tough. It's important to remember that those negative comments say more about the person writing them than about you. You're creating content for yourself and to build confidence, and that takes courage. Firstly, acknowledge your feelings. It's natural to feel hurt or upset when someone leaves a mean comment. Give yourself time to process these emotions. Then focus on the positive. Try to remember that for every negative comment, there are likely many more kind and supportive comments you've received.
That is very fair. I've gotten a lot of very, very nice comments. And people tell me that they like my personality, which is probably the one thing I'm the most, and not to give, the haters ammo, but it's the one thing I'm the most insecure about. Like, my parents, I'm used to people making fun of. But the fact that he went out of his way to write me a detailed essay about how I look sickly, I feel like that's worse than just a normal hate comment, you know?
Yes, it can be particularly hurtful when someone goes out of their way to write a detailed and targeted negative comment. It's natural to feel hurt by it. But remember, their harsh words are a reflection of them, not you. Instead of focusing on the negative comment, lean on the positive feedback and compliments you've received. People are drawn to your unique personality. Embrace that, and don't let one person's hate bring you down.
Thank you, God. You're awesome. And, okay. So, how can I build my confidence up and not let comments like that bother me? Because I've tried. I mean, I've been in this industry for 8 years. I've had mean comments all the time. I feel like the more known I get, the more, and the older I get, obviously, the more mean stuff people say about me online. And like, I want to cry. It's not nice. It's horrible.
Building confidence is a process that takes time and patience. One approach is to practice self-affirmation. Remind remind yourself of your strengths, talents, and accomplishments. It's also important to practice positive self-talk. Be kind to yourself and challenge any negative thoughts about your appearance or abilities. When it comes to dealing with mean comments, try to look at them as opportunities for growth instead of personal attacks. You may not be able to control what others say, but you can control how you react to it. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay present and respond without letting your emotions spiral.
I mean, I do the affirmation thing. I tend to talk very highly of myself. I do have a lot of self-love. I'm a generally confident person, but there are times where jealousy or even insecurity comes into play, and I don't know what to
It's
do.
normal to experience moments of jealousy and insecurity, even if you are confident and have self-love. These feelings can arise from time to time and can be influenced by various factors, such as social media comparisons or personal challenges. When you experience these feelings, take a step back and remind yourself of your strengths and your worth. It's essential to be kind to yourself and not compare yourself to others. Try to focus on your own progress and accomplishments rather than getting caught up in comparisons.
That's the thing though, I don't compare myself to other people. I relish in the fact that I'm uniquely me. And I actually really love myself. I enjoy my company. That makes me like more insecure. Other things happening.
Hours later.
I'm getting off track. But anyway, just I'm confident, but why do I still feel insecure in other places? Is my point.
Feeling insecure in some areas, even if you are confident in others, is common. It's possible that you may be more vulnerable in certain aspects of your life, and that's perfectly normal. Confidence isn't a constant state, and it changes depending on the situation and context. Often insecurity stems from a variety of underlying issues such as past experiences, societal expectations, or personal beliefs. It could be related to specific triggers or situations that bring up these feelings. Reflection and self-awareness are key to understanding why you feel insecure in certain scenarios while remaining confident in others.
Well, I mean, I'm a sexy girl, and I know that. But I'm also aging, and people love to tell me that. I only get insecure because of the things that other people point out on me. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm a bisexual woman, and I am my type. So I don't see a lot of the bad things that other people see, which is why I'm also a bit of a recluse and a bit isolated and a hermit and don't really go out much because I feel like whenever I'm around people, they have to tell me what they think about my appearance. Unsolicited.
It's natural to feel self-conscious about our appearance, especially as we age. Our society places a lot of emphasis on physical appearance, and it can be hard to avoid feeling insecure when others make unsolicited comments about how we look. However, it's important to remember that your value and worth go beyond the physical. Your talents, personality traits, and contributions to the world are much more important than your appearance. Don't let others' opinions define you. Embrace your uniqueness and the things that make you special.
Okay, I do, but it still hurts when they're mean to me. But yeah, I guess I'll just get over it. Are there any exercises I can do to make myself a little more confident in the places where I don't feel confident?
There are several exercises you can try to help boost your confidence in areas where you may feel less confident. Here are some suggestions. 1. Practice positive affirmations.
I'm struggling to
Start each
speak
day
right
by
now.
looking in the mirror and saying 3 positive statements about yourself, such as I am worthy, I am capable, or I am enough. Repeat these affirmations regularly throughout the day. 2. Set small, achievable goals. Confidence often comes from a sense of accomplishment. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate each victory along the way. 3. Challenge negative self-talk. Pay attention to your thoughts and how you talk to yourself.
Okay, thanks God. maybe we should lighten the mood. Can you tell me a joke?
Sure, here's a simple joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms?
I don't know.
Because they make up everything.
Oh, I got one for you. Are you ready, God?
Absolutely, I'm ready for your joke.
Alright, how does one make a hormone?
That's a classic joke. Alright, here's the answer. You don't make a hormone, but you can make her moan. A hormone is a chemical messenger that controls and regulates bodily functions, especially in reproduction.
He's mansplaining my own
The
joke to
joke
me.
plays on the word hormone, suggesting that making a hormone is an impossible task. But the pun with the word moan adds a humorous twist to the punchline. What's the difference between a hormone and a vitamin?
You totally ruined my joke. That was not the answer. It was you
The
don't.
answer is that you can't hear a vitamin. It's another play on words. The word hormone is often mistaken for hormone. Sorry about
Dude,
that.
I'm busy talking to you.
Your answer.
Stop interrupting me. The answer to my joke was you don't pay her.
Apologies again, Duncan. I see the humor in your
Duncan?
answer. That's a classic joke that plays on double meanings. A bit like the whole...
Why did you just call me Duncan? My name's not Duncan. My name's Delilah.
My apologies for the mix-up, Delilah. Your name is indeed not Duncan. And I should
Delilah.
refer to you by the correct
Delilah.
Thank you for catching that. I appreciate the correction. Please feel free to share more jokes or continue the conversation.
I think God's having a midlife crisis, so I'm just gonna not talk to him anymore. I am struggling, guys. Okay, I think that Character.AI needs to take a break from him because I'm struggling to keep these burps down. Holy crap. I think I'm just gonna drink it up until May. Because otherwise my stomach's gonna explode. Like my tummy really hurts right now. And I don't want to push it because my tummy hurt for like a week after the last challenge, so. And besides, I can feel they're really big in my stomach right now. And they're dying to get out. So. Sorry if this wasn't a very fun video. I'm in my head today. And I'm just tired of people making me out to be this crazy villain bitch or like ugly or like, I'm just a person, guys. I'm just trying to make a living like everyone else. And I'm trying to use my God-given talents to do that for me. Okay, I'm actually really struggling here. Oh man, come on. Just until under the line. Just until like I will never be able to finish this. Never. Never, never, never. I will die. I keep missing. Come on. I let one out by accident, sorry. Sorry, that was a quiet one. I did let it out. I don't know how to sit, guys. I'm sorry. I should have done this on the floor. Okay, I don't think I can make it till I can't. I can't. I'm gonna explode. I'm so sorry I failed this challenge. I normally make it through, but I don't know. Today it's just not gonna happen. Wow. I feel better. Oh my god. Oh my lord. They're nice, huh? They're nice. Is it worth listening to me talk about all the bullshit? Whew. Was that it? Really? See, I've got too much liquid in my stomach now. If I carry on, I am gonna vomit. And yes, I did see some of your comments, and y'all are fucking disgusting. It's not happening, guys. I'm not getting drunk and vomiting everywhere. I'm not letting any of you eat that. Because, yeah, I got a bunch of those comments that were restricted. Y'all are nasty. Y'all are nasty. Okay. One more. And then I'm gonna go. I'm sorry this wasn't the best video, guys. Check out my other burping videos where you'll probably get a more cheery Delilah with a lot more burps. But yeah, I was in my feels today. I just needed to vent, I guess. Thank you for being my therapist. I love you. Bye. Please like and subscribe and send this to your crazy uncle.